Number 1.
1990 Chevrolet 1500, price $5,500. This truck has 180,000 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission. It features a blue exterior with a beige interior and runs on gasoline. The engine and transmission were replaced approximately 30,000 miles ago by the previous owner, with a Crate 350 V8 featuring a 4-bolt main paired to a 700R transmission. The truck sat for about 2 years, after which extensive maintenance was completed. All sensors were replaced along with the distributor, spark plugs and wires, fuel pressure relay, fuel filter, and fuel pump, and the throttle body was rebuilt. It also received a fresh 6-foot paint job, a roll-in bed liner, and a new exhaust system. The tires still have plenty of tread remaining, though the date codes are older. Overall, this is a very solid truck that is becoming increasingly difficult to find in good condition.
Number 2.
1992 Chevrolet 1500, price $8,000. This truck is powered by a rebuilt 5.7L 350 V8 engine with a carbureted setup and a rebuilt 700R4 automatic transmission.
It runs on gasoline, drives well, and operates as it should.
The truck features an automatic transmission, a Starlight bright blue metallic exterior, and a matching blue interior. The engine is equipped with an Edelbrock 600 CFM carburetor, air gap intake, 10:1 pistons, a medium camshaft, and stainless cylinder heads, paired with a 2300 stall converter. Additional features include working AC and heat, power windows and locks, custom gauges, stainless headers with 3-inch exhaust, and American Racing Torque thrust wheels with Hankook tires. The truck has a salvage/rebuilt title from prior damage that has been properly repaired, and a clear Texas title is in hand.
Number 3.
1995 Chevrolet 1500, price $7,500. It is powered by a 355 Ci engine featuring a Comp 292 cam, Hedman long tube headers, Vortec heads with upgraded valve springs, a carbureted intake, and a Holley 750 carburetor. The truck is equipped with an automatic TH350 non-lockup transmission, and both the engine and transmission have less than 2,000 miles since being refreshed. The exterior is finished in white, complemented by a tan interior, giving it a clean and classic look. Overall, this Chevrolet 1500 is a very solid project truck with most of the hard work already done. It drives strong and reliably, with only minor cosmetic touches left to complete the build, making it a great candidate for someone looking for a powerful and enjoyable street truck.
Number 4.
1990 Chevrolet 1500, price $7,000, well-maintained full-size pickup equipped with an automatic transmission and a capable 4x4 drivetrain. It has approximately 200,000 miles and features a long bed, making it suitable for both work and daily use. The truck is powered by a gasoline engine that runs smoothly, delivering reliable performance. It is in excellent overall condition and comes with a clean title for added peace of mind. The exterior is finished in a clean white color, complemented by a tan interior that remains in good condition for its age. The vehicle is fitted with 20-inch wheels and tires, giving it a bold and modern look while maintaining solid road handling. Overall, this Chevrolet 1500 is a strong, dependable truck with classic styling and practical features.
Number 5.
1995 Chevrolet 1500, price $10,000, shows 198,000 miles and is powered by a gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission. It features a blue exterior with a gray interior and is equipped with a 4x4 drivetrain, making it suitable for both daily driving and light off-road use. The truck comes with power windows and power door locks, adding convenience and comfort. It remains mostly stock, with the only upgrades being an aftermarket exhaust, newer Silverado wheels, and updated headlights that give it a cleaner, more modern look. For its age, the truck is in respectable condition, with a few small dings on the body and some minor paint bubbling beginning to form near the rocker panels, but no major damage or serious rust issues.
Number 6.
1997 Chevrolet 2500, price $9,500, solid and dependable diesel work truck with 206,000 miles. It is powered by a turbocharged diesel engine paired with an automatic transmission and a 4x4 four-wheel drive system, providing strong performance and reliability for both on-road and off-road work. The truck features a regular cab configuration with an 8-foot-long bed, making it an excellent choice for hauling, towing, and daily job site duties. Finished in a red exterior with a gray interior, this truck has been professionally serviced and well maintained, ensuring it is fully ready to work without the need for immediate repairs. It is a rust-free vehicle, which is becoming increasingly hard to find, and is known for its durability and long-lasting performance.
Number 7.
1989 Chevrolet 1500, price $6,000, with 89,000 miles, equipped with an automatic transmission and a blue exterior with a matching blue interior.
The truck is a 4x4 and the four-wheel drive system works properly.
It has a small crack in the windshield, but it is not severe.
The steering wheel is slightly off-center and will need an alignment, although the truck does not pull while driving.
The air conditioning system needs to be recharged, the transmission shifts smoothly, and while the brakes feel spongy, the truck has no issues stopping. It does need cab corner repairs, which can be seen in the pictures, but there is no rust elsewhere and the rocker panels are in great shape. The truck has been driven daily without any problems. It did sit for a while before the current owner acquired it, so it may still need some additional work, but it is fully running and driving.
Number 8. 1997 Toyota T100, price $4,000, powered by a 3.4L gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission.
It comes finished in a black exterior with a tan interior, offering a classic and clean look. The truck has been modified with a 5-inch suspension lift and rides on 35 by 12.50 tires mounted on American Racing aluminum wheels, giving it a tall and aggressive off-road stance. In terms of condition, the vehicle will need a frame patch on the driver's side rear wheel well, as well as an alignment and a full inspection.
A clear photo of the frame area is provided in the listing photos for transparency.
Overall, this T100 presents a solid platform for someone looking for a lifted Toyota truck project or off-road build.
Number 9.
1997 GMC Sierra 1500, price $3,350. This truck has approximately 155,000 miles and is powered by a reliable 5.7L V8 gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission and a 2WD drivetrain. The truck is finished in a blue exterior color with a gray interior, giving it a clean and classic appearance. It runs and drives well, making it suitable for daily use or as a solid work truck. A new battery has recently been installed, adding to its reliability. The truck does have minor damage on the rear driver's side bedside, which is mainly cosmetic and does not affect drivability. It carries a Maryland salvage title, but despite that, it remains a solid and functional pickup.
Number 10.
1987 GMC 1500, price $3,500, comes with an automatic transmission and a blue exterior, giving it a classic and clean look. The truck runs and drives well, and it has been driven around the block multiple times to confirm its roadworthiness. Prior to being owned by the current seller, the truck had been sitting for some time, but it has since received several important updates to bring it back into reliable driving condition. Recent maintenance includes the installation of new fuel pumps and sending units, along with a new passenger-side fuel tank, helping ensure proper fuel delivery. The braking system has also been addressed with new front brake lines and brake pads.